Hi everyone, my name is Preston Modi and I'm rising to 8th grade in September. I go to Timothy Edwards Middle School in South Windsor, Connecticut. Today I'll be talking about machine learning. What is machine learning? It's in its name. It's how a machine learns. To put into simpler terms, think of it as a 1-year-old sees this furry four-legged animal. He doesn't know what it is, so he asks his parents. They tell him it's a dog. So then he thinks every four-legged animal that's furry is a dog. However, when he sees a cat, he points out to it and says, it's a dog. No, but his parents say, no, it's a cat. And then he's confused, right? But he eventually figures it out based off like the different features of it. And then when he sees a cow, he thinks it's a large cat or a large dog, but it's a cow, so he's again confused. But he keeps learning. And he keeps getting better at distinguishing it. Now, when he sees a small dog, he's confused on what it is. His parents tell him it's a dog, but what he thinks a dog is, it's this giant four-legged animal. However, this is really small. So he learns that there are different types of dogs, right? So that different breeds technically. So then that's how he keeps on learning. That's how a machine learns. A machine needs to learn what an object is, how to differentiate it between other objects, and then the sub-objects of that object, and so on and so forth. So that's basically how a machine learns. But why is it important? Well, it's not important in many games. It's really important in the way websites use it to track your cookies and to give ads, or for other important things, right? Let's say you have a driverless car. Some sensor needs to learn what a pedestrian is, what a stop sign is, what a traffic light, what everything is. However, if it didn't have machine learning, it would think that a pedestrian is just one generic random person, or let's say Elon Musk, but nobody else. If Elon Musk was the tester, I'd say. But that's not the point. The point is that if it thought it was just one certain thing, let's say a stop sign has 2 poles, right? But it's used to seeing a 1-pole stop sign, it doesn't know it's a stop sign. So then, using those sensors, it learns what a stop sign is. It can be hanging off a wire. It could have 2 poles. It could have 1 pole. And then it differentiates it from, let's say, yield sign or a traffic light. And then using all that, it knows when to stop, when to go, all that stuff. Same thing for the lanes. You have the double yellow line, dotted white line, and then the curb. It knows not to cross the double yellow line or the curb, but it knows it can cross like the dotted white line, the dotted yellow line, all that stuff. Some other examples is face recognition. A camera would use face recognition to recognize a face. It knows what a face is by multiple examples. If it doesn't detect a face, that means it doesn't have adequate lighting. However, usually it can detect a face. That's when you take a selfie and see that box around your face. Same thing for the thumbprint. If you try to thumbprint into your phone, if the print is exactly the same, it will let you in. If not, it won't let you in. It learns to basically detect the lines and then maybe give a little leeway in case if you have like oil or grime on your thumb, or I don't know, be creative. Some other examples are like it could be for medical recognition. A machine tries to recognize what disease you have by looking at your symptoms, some body fluid test like blood test, other things. It gives you your disease, like a flu, and then it gives you the type of medicine you want to take, like Tamiflu for that. Right, so that's the main example. There's some other examples are like the driverless car, as I said, the face recognition, product recognition. Like it uses cookies to learn what you want, and then it transports that over to websites, giving you ads the website money. So that's all about machine learning. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button, the big red subscribe button, and make sure to share this video. Code Ninjas Manchester, signing off.